Hi Flavor Fam, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make tropical yogurt clusters with my special guest NayNay. Say hi. Let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to mash 2 bananas with NayNay. NayNay, you want to mash? Yeah, mash. Pull that back in. Push down. Just really put it back in. Now my banana's been nicely mashed, it's time to spoon into my shape to create a base. And after we do this, we place it into the freezer for 2 hours. See you after it's done. Now you want to try put it in there? Good girl. Now that's in the freezer, it's time to mix half a finely chopped mango with half a tub of vegan yogurt. Wanna mix now, right? Mix. And then after we finish mixing, we place it on top of our banana base. Taste it, taste it. Nice? Not again, baby, just mix, just mix. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot, you have to add a handful of diced pineapple to your mixture as well. And mix it together.
Mix.
Now I've mixed my mixture, it's time to spoon it on top of my frozen banana base.
Yeah.
And then after we do this, we place it back into the freezer for another 2 hours.
Hours. Uh-oh.
That's fine, baby, it's fine. Now that's frozen and I've melted my chocolate. It's still a bit hot, so I had to give NayNay to Mommy. But anyways, we're going to coat our frozen fruit in our chocolate. And just remember, do not coat your frozen fruit while your chocolate is very hot, otherwise it would melt. And it has to be lukewarm. And then we're going to continue this with the others. And then once that's done, we're going to put it to the side until it hardens. Now it has hardened, it's time to tuck in. And NayNay, because it's too sweet, you're gonna have to have a mango. That is delicious. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. NayNay, say bye.